Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington. I'm actually near Seal Rock, Waldport, Oregon. Been on a week vacation, and we have Hannah, who you can show here. Ta-da! So I'm actually going to be doing some adjustments here, and it's not going to be super comfortable, but we're going to improvise just a little bit with her. Hannah does not, she is adjusted by a chiropractor back in Pennsylvania. She doesn't like to be adjusted in the neck area with strong type of force and that, but we're just going to try to improvise, not go too hard. Take a breath in, release it out. Good. So we're doing it on a hard surface here, actually. Too bad we didn't have a towel for chest area. Breath in, release. Breath in again, and now she does have SI. Problem is either right or left. Or right or left. Let's see. They may be looking at it from. You're actually short on the right, so this is your low side. This is your high side. Where do you get the pain? Left or right? It's on your left. Right here? Yeah. It's more your right than your left. Let's find out. Let's go ahead and raise this leg. Raise the left one. Back down. Try the other one. Back down. Did you feel the difference? Did you feel like the left one didn't go up as much? So it's more of the sacrum. So if I had a drop table, I'd have you cross this over here and then start to drop on this side, because that would be my first approach with it. But we're going to have to improvise. Lay on this side. I'll go easy on this.
No, we just cross the feet.
Well, the crossing of the leg opens up the joint. Not all chiropractors end up doing that. They kind of like leave that one out. So with the ladies, because they have hips, we got to be really careful of the hip area, but they also have the pelvic area and the rib area that's really close. So when we adjust that, we got to go real easy on her. I won't bounce. There it is. And so if you know, if the chiropractor is doing their job, it's pretty easy to adjust them. All right, so let's go face down again. Let's do the test again. Now we're doing bare bones here actually on the bench. Go ahead and raise this leg for me. You feel the difference a little bit? Other one. Back down. So I'm just going to help assist that left pelvis, right pelvis. Won't go too much. A lot of tension at the base of the neck and through the upper thoracic area. That's where some of the people, you'll see what's called dowager's hump, where they get this, where this bone area starts sticking out more, and that's usually because the head starts going forward. Every inch that goes forward of the head position is about 10 pounds of pressure. It's quite a bit. So you want to see typically the ear in line with the shoulder. All right, let's have you go on your back. All right, cross your arms. Breath. Release. We almost dumped her. Oceanside Chiropractic. I'll go easy. Nope, actually, we're gonna do traction. Better. So keep your eye closed. Now easier this one was. So you got to work on what's wrong? The knee, fibula. Now this is a little hard. I need you to actually switch around. You got to put your head here. This one. There it is. Feel it. Well, I can't really come. Sorry you couldn't hear the cracks. You get to listen to the ocean instead. You haven't had my adjustments, so that would be different. All right, let's get Ryan. We don't usually shake. Leave it. Keep it going. You get to see Coast Guard going by. We had a beautiful week here in Seal Rock, Oregon. So if you get a chance to come out to the Oregon coast, the governor, I can't remember his name right now. What was his name? Governor
Oswald something.
Oswald. He protected the area of the ocean and that you can't do any building, I think, on it. And so you see it pretty much in its natural state. So we're going to adjust someone else. All right, thank you for watching. I'm Dr. David Warwick, your local Lacey Olympia chiropractor.